Alright, so I have a little bit of redemption today. I tried to play this. If I didn't delete the video, I'll try to put it in this video. But I think I literally found the world's most expensive Zippo. It's, I don't know. It's over $40 for a Zippo, so there's got to be something special about it. I've been playing for a little bit. Unfortunately, I won a couple things already, which I'll show you at the end, but they weren't real big prizes, but I wish I would have still got it caught on camera. I didn't even see them. One was a ring and the other one was a wheat penny. Ooh, there's a good one. This thing wasn't moving, so I went in, put a bunch of quarters in, just kept playing it. Ooh, that was good. Until look, it's moving over there. I was playing over there too. I'll show you that in a second. That's gonna fall. Let's see if this thing doesn't have a really I was hoping I'd get it. What ends up happening is, yeah, that falls right there. I love that fireball lighter. So I am gonna play for it, but I gotta win the $40+ Zippo. And we'll do a giveaway for one of you all. Just hit that like button, share the video, and leave a comment and say Zippo or world's most expensive Zippo. Leave something. And one of you all can win. That should be good. Maybe not. Don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. This happens on this one. I can't really explain why that does that. Where it does really good. Then it stops and freezes up for a little bit. Remember to always leave one lucky quarter down in there while you're playing, so you can get the big money. Oh, ooh. Man. And it completely stopped falling. I saved quarters in my pocket. There's a couple of the prizes. I just accidentally pulled it out. Ooh. Keep bringing them. Keep dropping them down. I'm not even playing. 1965. I got a silver quarter out of here when I wasn't recording, and now I'm back on the hunt for silver quarters. I couldn't find any in here for a long time. Come on, baby, come on. Anything fall? Oh, it's like one down there. And I'm dropping some. And I dropped another one. Somewhere. No idea where. Okay. I'll look for that later. I wish I would have got that push. I'm just afraid the angle that it's in, that if I try to play this while not recording, I'm going to miss it. and that went on top. I hate that. It's been happening more and more here lately. And we're getting low on quarters. I only got one more quarter left in my pocket. Oh. All right, come on, baby. We might get down to our lucky quarter. Ooh. Oh, that was such a good push. Nothing came off, but that was a huge push. Oh, man, I don't want to stop recording, so I'm so afraid I'm going to miss that thing falling. All right, now let's do this quickly. Ah, can't believe that just happened. Let's try this again. My hand's shaking. Oh, shoot. All right, here, we'll be back. Okay. Took a little persuading, but we got it. And luckily this thing still is here. All right, come on, let's get this. I don't want to spend what this thing costs just to win it. I just put a video out about that. I spent like, I can't remember what it was, something stupid. Like 20 to win 12 back. Just how it goes. Man, that was a hard hit. All right, guys. Let me get down my pocket and get everything that I've won. All right. So I put in 20 altogether, and I won the world's most expensive Zippo lighter. I'm sure there's like Zippos that are more expensive than that, but I just particularly have not seen one. They're all from 19 to 30 something at most. So like I said, you want to win it, I won't open it, have the original sticker on it. Just leave a comment, share the video, and hit that like button. Oh, you need to follow or subscribe to. Sorry, 4 different things, none of them of which cost you money. But I just ask this: if you are going to follow the page or subscribe, please make sure you enjoy enough to watch it again and not just for a competition. All right, guys, have a great night. Thank you.